Hi grade 12. This is another task on bank reconciliations and calculations, also a very typical sort of exam type question on the bank reconciliation. So task 11.27 in your textbook. Okay. This is we answering some questions for hairdresser Miss Cartwright. She received her bank statement dated 25th June. Her month-end balance was 14,550 credit as reflected on the statement. Remember, credit balance on the bank statement indicates that it's a favorable bank balance. She made comparisons with her cash journals and discovered that a deposit of $980, which she made on the 24th of June, does not appear on the bank statement. She also noted that one check for $530 is not reflected on the statement. So in 11.27.1, we have to calculate her bank balance in the general ledger on 21st June. Okay, so we're going to start obviously with the bank statement balance that we were given. Okay, so the bank statement balance, okay, was 14,550. It was a favorable balance. Okay, then there was so the deposit of 980 is an outstanding deposit, which we would add to the favorable bank balance, and the outstanding check we would then subtract from the favorable balance. So in brackets 530. And that will give us the correct bank account balance of 15,000 Rand. Okay, then in 11.27.2, Ms. Cartwright purchased equipment to the value of 14,000 on credit. Payment is due on 30th June 20.8. Okay. Can she make this payment on the 30th, bearing in mind that she has no overdraft facilities with the bank? What will her new bank balance be on 30th June? Indicate if it will be favorable or unfavorable. Okay, so her bank account balance is 15,000 Rand, right? Okay, so she can make this payment on the 30th, okay? Because she has 15,000 in her bank account and the payment that's required is only 14,000. That will leave her with 1,000 Rand as a favorable balance. Okay, so then assume that she has overdraft facilities with her bank, subject to a maximum of 50,000 Rand. She makes payment of 14,000 above, and in addition, she makes a check payment for more stock and equipment for 7,400. What will her new bank balance be on 30th June? Indicate favorable or unfavorable. Okay, so in addition to this, she now goes and purchases stock and equipment for 7,400. So that leaves her with a 6,400 unfavorable balance. Okay, then the same details apply in B apply, except that the check for 7,400 is post-dated for 31st July 20.8. She also received a check for 1,300 dated 31st July 20.8 from Ms. Solani for redundant equipment sold to her. What will her new bank balance be according to her books on 30th June? Indicated favorable or unfavorable. Okay, now, the same details apply as in B, but the check is post-dated. Okay, so the answer would still be 6,400 unfavorable because when a post-dated check is issued, it's subtracted from the bank balance. However, the post-dated check which she received for 1,300 will not affect the bank balance at all. Okay, so post-dated checks received are not recorded until the date on the check, but the post-dated check issued would be recorded and it would remain outstanding on the bank record until the date arrived. Okay, then briefly explain how the preparation of a bank record can assist the trader in controlling her payments to her creditors. Okay, so she's in a better position to plan payments to creditors as the records are updated with those of the bank. She knows exactly how much she has in his bank account. Okay, that's all for this question here. Okay, please complete it in your workbook. Bye.